Welcome back. So before doing actual configuration for advance payments, we will do the pre-setup actually for creating enterprise structure, partner determination, account group creation, customer creation. All this setup should be required to do your actual postings. Before that, let me add one point here. Okay, so the similar example, let me try to show you here. For example, you have a document type order, delivery, and PCA and billing you have, right? This is actual regular OTC process. Here, for example, your net value is some 20,000. Okay, assume that you have taken some 100 pieces of goods. Okay, it has some price and all put together you got a net value and you got something like another 2,000 tax. What is the total here? Total is equal to 22,000. Okay, this is your regular way of representing the scenario. The similar thing will be copied to your billing document, but here you are doing a regular OTC process. In that, what is the deviation? That is the beauty of this one. Let me explain you. For example, in the similar scenario, you have an order, what I would say, delivery and billing. So on parallel, at the time of order, you are going to collect your prepayment. Okay, prepayment, or you can call it as advance payment. Okay, in this scenario, in the similar scenario, if you try to explain here, so you have a 22,000. On 22,000, for example, you are collecting as 7,000 as an advance. Okay, for that we don't have setup now. That we are going to see maybe next video after pre-setup is done. We'll go. This 7,000 I can be collected in different ways. That I'm going to explain you. See, we'll get a lot of errors. Be ready for that because from starting onwards, I'm doing the setup. I don't have an existing setup of the system. Okay. Still, I wanted to do it on a live end to end, like how you are going to learn on your own end to end in the similar way. So if I take 20,000 from 22,000, if you take 7,000 as an advance, suppose equal to this minus, okay, let's go for this. So remaining balance is 15,000. So you're going to collect your advance payment early. Okay. So on advance payment, you can able to collect the tax also. I will explain you. But for setting up order delivery and PCI, now we're going to set a pre-setup. That's why we're going onto the system. Okay. Let's go. Let's see. SPRO. Okay. Reference IMG. Let's do all the pre-setup now. Okay. Let's go to enterprise structure. Let's go to the definition. Financial accounting. See, this for this org elements creation and whatever the setup I'm going to do, I'm not going to give each and every field explanation. It is not meant for this course. This course is meant for advanced payment scenarios. Once you learn OTC on top of it, your advanced payments will come into picture. Anyhow, it's my responsibility to create everything. Later, you will have some doubts. That's why I'm doing everything. So first define company code. Okay. Copy, delete, or check company code. And this just copy. Okay. So let's take any existing company code, we can copy it. So I'm just taking this one, no issue. My company code is JAD, okay, ZH01, okay. I'm just taking enter. So I don't want to change the currency. It's so let's cancel this. Okay, press enter, press enter. Okay, no problem. So this is pre-setup. I'm just going to do the pre-setup now. Okay, I'm just taking this one like okay, and I setup. Okay, I'm just giving this one. Okay, actually in real time, right? This one you have to give the meaningful. This one. Okay, enter numeric only. It's got cancelled. Let me try to resolve this issue quickly. To resolve this issue, just go to sale transaction. Okay, so let me come here. I think you go to the basic settings, go to the logical system, assign logical system. Okay, let's double click this. Here you have to choose. Okay, okay, let me change automatic recording of changes. Okay, this is fine. I think let me check this one. Okay, let's give it a try. Changes without recording. You have to select that. Okay, let's go to the copy delete company code. Come here. Let's take this one. Previously it was cancelled, right? Now 100% it allows. Okay, no currency. Okay, now company code is copied. You can able to completed activities. You can able to see clearly ZH01. Okay, let's come back. Try to do other setup. So come here. Let's try to create one plant. So I'm just creating new entries. This one has ZHP1, Hyundai, Hamburg plant. This is one of the location in Europe. Okay, let me take the factory calendar as 01, no issues. Okay, let me take plant. This is plant one. Okay, let me take the DE as country, Europe. You can take any country for that matter to collect the advance payments. But certain things are very important. I will explain in future. So let's try to take 02 Hamburg. Okay, okay, Hamburg city. Okay, just take Hyundai as a search term. So we have created one plant. So now let's come back. Let's try to do configurations quickly. So let's create the division also. Our division is HH. Okay. Common division I'm just creating. So come back. Let's go to the sales and distribution. Let's try to create a sales organization. We required all these things to run a OTC process. So why I'm doing this one, I can able to skip this one because our main target is advanced payment scenarios. But FI consultants looking this video, they can also able to learn now this one how to set up the OTC process. That is very important for them. Okay, so let's come here. So ZH01 I am creating Hyundai sales org. Okay, so let's take currency as euro. I'm just taking the calendar. So rebate active. I think these settings are fine actually. Let's save. So let's go for this. Domestic, you can say. So similar. I'm not taking more plans because this scenario it's not intercompany or intercompany stock transfer. This basic setup is sufficient for us. So let's save this. Okay. So now you created sales org, right? Now let's create distribution channel. Okay. So let's create a couple of channels. One is H1. Okay. H1 is your distributor sales and H2 is corporate. This is core selling, right? Company can directly sell to corporates also. They have certain policies. Otherwise, they are distributors or dealers. You can say dealers, better keep the dealers, no problem. Text is okay. So I don't want to set up any sales office. I don't require. If required, I'll do it. Let's go to the material management. So storage location at this point I required. So what is the ZHP1, right? This is our plant. I'm just creating the storage location 0001 sales 0002 return 0003 damage. Okay. Anyhow, we required only one storage location. Okay. Let's do this. Let's come to the logistics execution. I'm defining what I would say shipping point also. So this pre-setup, I need not explain if you are an SD consultant. But if you are a FI consultant, you understand shipping point, the place where goods will be living actually. Sometimes the place where goods receiving also, if it is plan-to-plan stock transfers, without shipping point, you cannot able to create the delivery. Okay. ZH S1. Okay. Shipping point 1. I'm just keeping this factory calendar as 01. So that's okay. I'm just keeping C default from shipping point. So this also default from shipping point. Okay. So I'm just keeping pick pack time and all those things. Okay. Let's save this. So shipping point 1 only. Okay. Let's keep this. Okay. This is sufficient in the definition. Now we have done this one definition. So let's try to do the assignments quickly. Okay, enterprise structure definition we have done. So let's come to the assignments. Now first go to logistic general, assign your plan to company code, go to the new entries. So ZH01, ZHP1. Okay, because this is required. Okay. So next go to the sales organization, assign sales org to company code. So what is our sales organization? Okay, ZH01 only. This is also ZH01 only. I just created. Okay. So we assigned company code and sales org. Next assign distribution channel to sales organization. What is your distribution channel? So this is ZH01. Okay. H1. Okay. ZH01. Next one is H2. I have two distribution channels. So come back. So let's come back quickly. Assign division to sales organization. So this base configuration you must know. Okay, this is pre-setup. If you are not from either SD or else you don't know the OTC process configuration, okay, this is not the right video. I have other set of courses also to learn. Then you try to get into the advance payments course, prepayment. If you don't know OTC setup, it is very difficult for you. Okay, this is I'm just doing because I didn't set up. Let's go to the setup sales area. Let's go to new entries. ZH01. Okay, H1, your HH. ZH01, your H2, and HH. This is the sales area I'm going to set up. So next is assign sales organization distribution channel plant. If you don't do this setup, you will get errors at the material level. So at the time of entering your material, ZHP1, ZH01, H2, ZHP1. So that for distributors and corporate, by using this plant, you can able to deliver the stock. Okay. So this is one part. So now let's try to create configurations. See what we have done till now. We have done enterprise structure setup and their assignments. Now we have to do partner determination and account groups creation. This is very, very important. Okay. Let's go here. First create account groups anytime. Okay. So let's go to the financial accounting new. Come here. So which screen you are watching? SAP only, right? So let's come to account receivable and account payable. Go to the customer account, master data, preparation of creating master data. Okay. Let's create some account groups. I'm just copying by using standard. So I don't require all this. First one is sufficient because we are not going to check any special scenarios and partner determination. This is for advance payments. So ZH01. Next one is ZH02. So ZH03, ZH04. Okay. So I would like to keep my own description. ZH01 customers. Just for my understanding this one. I'm going to use this account group now. Let's try to assign some number ranges. Let's check. So let's try to check. Go to create number ranges. Okay. I think I can able to take from here. Okay. So what is this? HH. Control V. 1, 2. I don't require more customers. So for me, triple line is okay. Okay, let's save this. So this is with this number customer will be created. When I'm giving explanation, that is for those people who don't know the basics. Okay. So let's come here, ZH01. So what's yours? So what is HH, 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 HH. Okay. This from these numbers I can able to consume. Okay. Anyhow, so this is done. Now let's go to partner determination. So we created account groups. Now it's time to create. Without account group, you cannot able to create the customer. This is for FI consultants, and you cannot able to create, I mean, you cannot able to determine partners without partner determination. These two setups must done. Just follow what I am doing. Sales and distribution, basic functions. Pre-setup will be bit faster. I don't want to waste more time here, and I would like to concentrate on actual concept. Okay. Now go to the setup partner determination. So let's come here. Setup partner determination. Let's go ZH01 partners only. I'm just doing this. Let's select this. For this, let's assign our mandatory partners. I want order processor sold to party. I want delivery process ship to party. I want the person who receives the bill. I want the person who pays. These are the mandatory partners minimum I required. So I'm just doing this. All these are mandatory I required in my sales order processing. So now come to partner. So let's go to new groups. So what is this? Your here is ZH01. Okay. What is your determination procedure? ZH01. ZH01. For this also, let's keep this. Okay. As of now, this is this fine. So now let's go to the partner functions. Let me check. All settings are fine. This is practice system. Sold to party. Okay. Do I am fine. Okay. Bill I am fine. And pair also might be fine in this system. Okay. No one much disturbed this one. Let's go to account groups function assignment. Let's go here. Sold to party. ZH01. And ship to also ZH01. And there ZH01. And let's take bill to ZH01. Okay. Let's say the partners. Okay, this is fine. So this is okay. Now let's go to the master data. Let me check this is okay or not. Otherwise, I cannot able to create my customer. There's H01. Okay, H1, H2. Okay, I'm good. I think. Let me check the customers. So I'm just creating industry sector H0001. So industry is MFG manufacturing. So next one is this. We can able to select existing one also. So customer classification, Nelson ID, industry sector code. Okay, here comes customer groups, shipping. Okay, I'll use standard, no issues at the time of creating what I would say this one. Let's do the shipping point determination. So maybe this one. Okay, let's create the customer first. Okay, GH01, this is the customer. What is this? GH01. I'm just creating H1. Okay, HH. And let's create company code data also. Okay, Mr. J. Hanuman Limited is our customer. and Hyundai. So Hamburg, DE, region 02, transportation zone I can take. It is not relevant as of now. Let's take this one. Control data. Let's try to fill some fields. Payment transactions I don't require. Let's go to the marketing. Let's fill. Okay, I'm just taking this one as this. I'm just taking customer classification also standard. So between, okay, industry sector, manufacturing, okay, legal status. All this not required for advance payments, but still I'm just doing. This is limited company, this customer for us. So let's go to the company code. Here we want the things. So reconciliation account. I can use my standard. This is I want it. And this is also I want it. 0001. Okay. And go to the sales area data. Okay. So let's take sales group. So let's take, so we don't want it. Customer group we can take if we want. So industrial customers, customer pricing procedure 1. So all these related to pricing scenarios I don't require. So 01 and shipping conditions also standard. I'm taking 01 and the delivering plant ZH P1. Okay, I'm good to go. So 01, 01 and FOB and Hamburg terms of payment 01. Okay, account assignment group taxable. Okay, so this is rebate. I got all my partners. Let's say my first customer. Okay, that is good. We have successfully created our customer. Let's try to use this customer with this sales area for order creation. Okay, let's copy this. Let's try to go to our Excel. Okay, it is better to have Excel. Maybe the same day I'm not recording everything, right? I might forget. That's why I'm noting down. It's always good practice to note down. Okay, now this is fine. Now let's try to do material creation. Okay, for creating material, what you have to do is slash and I'll do some setups. OMS2. Okay, my goods are trading goods. Our so GHP1. Let's select this quantity and value updation. So let me do one thing. Let me create a material MM01. So I'm just taking this one retail as a trading good. Okay, let's press enter. So purchasing I'm good, general plan data, WM, packing WM and compliance, MRS, costing. Okay, these are sufficient for me. Okay, let's go to the organization level. Mine is that is P1, and this one is storage location 201. Yes, I have created, and this one is again ZH01. This is H1. Okay, distributors or dealers you can call for our scenario. So let's go to this is Hyundai Creta. Base unit is let me take, let's take each. Okay, any metal group, no problem. So metal, steel, electronics, motor pumps, engines, motherboards, docking station. I'm just checking if anything is near. Okay, I think no one is created for cars. Take the fields, vehicles. Okay, so let's go try to fill. So it may be like 1,990. So car maybe it will be 1,000 kgs, right? That's why I'm doing. So this is HH. That's okay. Let's go to the taxable. ZHP1. Okay, I don't want to do any sales unit of measurement. That is fine. Let's go to the account assignment category 01. So let's take. So daily requirements. So this is also standard I'm taking. Okay. MRP1. So let's choose the MRP type as PD. So let's press enter. So we have to define MRP controller. So just click here, continue without specifying the project. Let's do this one first. Plant parameters we must have to maintain, otherwise we'll get some kind of errors. So copy. I'm just taking this one as 1113. Okay, to our ZHP1. Copy the parameters first. So we're resolving two issues here. So next one, go to MRP controller. Let's copy this. Hmm. Nandan. Okay. Save this. See, all these are part of your basic setup. Must have patience to learn. Okay, let's select. What size? Okay. Fill all the mandatory fields. So get schedule merchant key, select standard. See why I'm doing, I don't require all these tabs, but I require accounting tab. I have selected other tabs. Probably I might have some other work. So let's keep the prices. So like minimum 10 lakhs. Oh, great. We have done the material without issues. Copy this and mark somewhere. This is our material. Let's do the start posting also. Let's see some errors, potential errors. Okay. So let's go to the plant parameters needs to be maintained for inventory management. Let's copy this. Let's keep the ZHP one. So go back. Okay. Let's press enter. Oh, posting period is issue came. Okay. We cannot open this many periods. Let me try to find out shortcut. Okay. Slash n. Don't do this in real time, but this is for practice only. So let's go to enterprise structure, definition. So not definition, sorry, assignments you go. Just remove this configuration for the timing I'm doing. Okay. Let's save this. Come back. Slash O. Like OM SY. Let's go to this transaction. What is our company code? ZHP1. So let's try to make it. This is 2024 I'm doing. Let's keep the period as January. Okay. Let's keep this to February otherwise. Okay. Let's save this. So now go to now let's try to come back and reassign the setting. Okay. First, let's come out of this. Then go back. Let's reset this and just for saving the time, like from 2015 means I have to close. Let's save time waste. Now let's go to MB1C again. Still, it is getting the same error. I need to check this one. Okay, let me check this one. Oh, it's my bad only. Mine is ZH01. I have changed it for this one. 1 second. Let's go to SPRO, reference INC, enterprise structure, assignments. Let's come out of this. Okay, so now let's come back. Now go to the another session. Okay. This is fine now. Okay. Now let's go to MB1C. So it's not sale actually. I have created for 0001. So now it's time to identify what is the material we have created for stock posting. Let's copy. This is the material for Creta I have created. Let's do some stock posting. Let's see any other errors. Okay. Posted. Good. Perfect. Okay. All other errors didn't come. Lucky that. Okay. Now let's try to create a delivery. Let's take OR and who is our customer? That's why I made a note it down this one. This is our customer. Okay. Pricing procedure determination. Let's go to OVKK. Let's assign our standard pricing procedure. What is this? ZH01, H1. This is HH. Document pricing procedure A. Standard I'm taking. If I want, I can able to copy, not required. So, or you can able to try on your own things, no issues. Okay. So let's say this. This is one thing. Now let's go to VK11 here 00. So material I'm maintaining. So let's take this. We have only one material necessary. Let's copy this one from Excel. Okay, let's copy. Then go back and try to maintain the price, base price. Okay. So we'll maintain 15. 1 lakh. I think. Okay. These many euros. I'm maintaining the price. Okay. Condition record maintained. So price. Let's note it down. Later it will be useful for scenario explanation. This is the price. Okay. Not required. Let's try to create order. When errors are coming, we'll resolve this first. Okay, good. Test. What is the material? Copied in wrong place. Let's take one. Okay, we don't have any issues. So let's check in complete log. Okay, shipping point determination. Let's do this. /n FPRO reference IMG. Let's go to the logistics execution. Shipping, basic shipping functions, shipping point determination. I don't want to do any my own setups. I'm just using standards. Our motto is to explain about advanced payment scenarios, right? So 0001 ZHP1 and this is ZHS1. It will not come because I have missed the assignment. Let's cancel this. Yeah. Let's come back. We can come back. Go to the top. Let's go to the assignments. Okay, assign shipping point to plant. Control F. ZHP1, you go. For this, assign a shipping point. What is ours? ZHS1. Last one, no issues. Let's save this. Now let's try to come to the same configuration. So ours is 01. This is 0001 ZH P1 here ZH S1. We have done shipping point determination. Let's do the accounting determination also. See, all these are required as a pre-setup. All these are the different concepts. If you don't have basics, don't better learn and then get into this course. Okay. OBY6, let's go. Let's check our company code. ZH01. So what is the chart of accounts for our plant? That I want to check. INT, it is required for me. Now let's go to the SPRO, reference IMC. So let's go to the sales and distribution. We can go directly BKYA, but still I'm showing the path. Billing, sorry, basic functions, account determination, revenue account determination. Here you can able to see assign GL accounts. Okay. So let's take anything is fine. General means what? Let's take this one. New entries V KOFI INT and ZH01 account P ERL. I'm taking J revenue account as this one. Let's check. I think we don't have GL accounts. Let me copy some GL accounts. So let's go to FS00. So I'm just taking this one. I just need one revenue account. I'm just taking this one now. Yes. It's not exist. No problem. Let's do one thing. I'm just taking the existing GL accounts. Otherwise, we can define also, no issues, but not required. Wherever it is required, I will define. Okay, got it. FS 00 and this is and let's overseas. Oh, account already we have been created. No problem. Then I can use it. Okay, let's go now. Okay, let's take the RS also. Okay, let's use the GL accounts. If these are not available, I can able to extend it. Now let's create a order now. So let's go and check incomplete log. We're good to go for creating orders. So in this sales area, shipping. Okay. Let's double click. Shipping. Okay, we got it. Schedule ends is 14th. Okay. And all good. Let's save the order. First order. VL01N. So that H has one. Okay, it's 14th, right? We can take zero one. Picking. Okay, successfully done. We have 01. Let's do the billing. Excellent. We have done the pre-setting. From next video onwards, we're going to see the configurations for what I would say. Configurations for what? Configurations for your advance payment scenarios. Thanks for joining this session. This preset is very, very important. If you know already, if you have preset up, you can skip this video and you can go to the next video. Okay, we're good to go. I wish you all the best. Let's catch up in next video. From next video onwards, actual trigger starts for your learning. Jai Hind. Have a great day.